Drop-in diode.
The name of this diode is based on its internal structure. Its N and P regions are similar to conventional diodes. Except that between these two regions there is an intrinsic semiconductor part without doping process. This region is similar to the wide depletion region and strongly weakens the rectification. But it is used for applications such as fast switching, attenuation, light detection and high voltage circuits of power electronics.
Leave me a comment and express your suggestions, opinions and criticisms. Please don't forget to like the videos after watching them.